Welcome back to Autokido. Today, we are diving into the review of the 2025 Toyota Corolla, a car that continues to impress with its reliability, sleek design, and advanced features. So, let's get straight into it. The 2025 Toyota Corolla has received a refreshing new look. Its front fascia features a bold grille with chrome accents, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a modern, sporty appeal. The sleek lines along the body enhance its aerodynamic profile, while the stylish alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication. At the rear, the LED tail lamps and sculpted bumper complete the elegant yet dynamic appearance of this popular sedan. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla offers two engine options. The first is a 2.0-liter dynamic force petrol engine producing around 169 horsepower and 205 Nm of torque, mated to a smooth CVT transmission. The second option is a hybrid powertrain combining a 1.8-liter petrol engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of approximately 121 horsepower. This hybrid system is designed for exceptional fuel efficiency and lower emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice. Inside, the Corolla continues to impress with its high-quality materials and advanced technology. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, featuring supportive seats and ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring a seamless user experience. The digital instrument cluster provides essential information in a clear and attractive layout. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Corolla is no exception. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility. With these features, the Corolla offers a safe and confident driving experience. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Corolla combines style, efficiency, and safety in a well-rounded package. Whether you choose the petrol engine for its performance or the hybrid for its eco-friendliness, the Corolla remains a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and modern sedan. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more exciting car reviews on Autokido. Also, like this video, share it with your friends, and let me know your thoughts about the 2025 Toyota Corolla in the comments below. See you in the next video, and until then, drive safe and take care.